Okay, let's take a look at question 3 on 8.1.5b homework assignment. The first thing we have to do is figure out the sum of the interior angles. To do that, I need to know the number of sides. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. To find the sum of the interior angles, you have to do 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4, times 180. So we have 4 times 180, which is going to be 720. Now remember, the 6 minus 2 gives you the number of triangles that are in the polygon, and then you have to multiply that by 180, which are the sum of the angles in any triangle. Now we just need to add up all the angles and set it equal to 720. So I'm going to start with just 7x. So I have 7x plus 5x minus 8 plus 3x plus 3 plus 2x minus 6 plus 4x plus 6x plus 7, and that has to equal 720. So now we need to combine our like terms. So I look at all my x's and I combine those. When I do that, I'm going to end up with 27x. Then I have to do all my numbers. When I combine all those, -8, 3, -6, and 7, I end up with -4, and that has to equal 720. So if we add 4 to both sides, I end up with 27x is equal to 724. Then I divide by 27, and when I round to 2 decimal places, I get 26.81.